Hi there students. This video is going to be about the word empirical. But before I go on, I want to wish a happy birthday to Carlito Lumangaya. I understand it was your birthday a couple of days ago, so as they say in English, many happy returns of the day. I know it's belated a couple of days late, but may you continue to watch my videos for many more years. So, empirical, an adjective. Empirically, the corresponding adverb. If something is empirical, it's based on experience. You have empirical evidence. Evidence that's not based on theory. Evidence that you can see, you can measure, you can test it physically. So I think empirical knowledge is much more useful than theoretical knowledge. Experience is better than theory. If something is empirical, it's possible to verify it by experiment. So I like to teach English empirically, by listening and speaking. I don't like to teach theoretically using grammar. Theories can be tested empirically. You make your theory and then you make some real life tests to see if real life fits your theory. Most medicine is empirical. You give somebody a medicine and then you see if they get better. Maybe a vote is an empirical way of deciding which option is most popular. So, empirical, practical, pragmatic, possible to test, verifiable. Empirically, it is clear that laws do not prevent people from doing bad things. Maybe statistics is an empirical science. So if something is empirical, it's based on observation of real life. It's not based on theory. Now, next question, how formal is this word empirical? I think I'd probably give it a 6.5 to a 7 in formality. I think informally, in an informal conversation, I might say practical or in real life. Now, the origin of this word comes from ancient Greek, empirikos, experienced. Okay? So, empirical, something you can measure in real life, not something that is theoretical. Okay? So, if you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Empirical. Empirically.